Hello, in this video, we will learn how you can manage your business's billing and stock in a smart and easy way with the help of OS Books. Let's get started with the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will first see today's sale, which shows the total sales for today with all the data. All account balances. Here, you can see how much payment you have received till today, whether it's in cash or in the bank, along with your total balance. In current stock status, you can see how much stock you have left and its total value. By clicking on More Info, you can view the detailed quantity-wise information. In today's expenses, you can find out how much you spent today and on what. In the Customer Outstanding section, you'll see how much outstanding balance is left from your customers. And any reminders you've set will also be shown here. Similarly, in the Company Outstanding section, you can see which companies you need to make payments to and how much is pending. In the Day Book Summary, you will see all the entries for the day in one place, including sales, purchases, payments, and receipts. And in the Recycle Bin, you will find all the entries that you've deleted, which you can restore whenever needed. So, this was the full overview of the dashboard, from where you can view all the essential information of your business with just one click. Let's get started. Go to the Inventory section and click on the plus icon next to Purchase. To add a new company, type the name, press Enter, and fill in the remaining details. From the Add More Info section, you can add extra details. All the information is optional. After entering the details, just click on Submit. Now enter the invoice number, select the purchase date, and start adding the product details. Suppose you are buying toothpaste for a grocery store. Type toothpaste in the product name field and press Enter, then add the brand. If you want the barcode to be visible, click on the settings icon at the top and turn off Hide Barcode. You can also customize columns like commission type and barcode head. After that, click on Save and the barcode option will become visible. Select the GST, then scan the barcode or enter it manually. After that, enter the MRP and selling price and click on Submit. Now enter the quantity and purchase price and add the item to the bill. If the barcode number is not showing, click on the settings icon, turn on Use Barcode and save. The barcode number will now be visible. Now, let's add an item for an electronic shop, such as an LED TV. After that, enter the brand name. Then, fill in the GST and HSN code, followed by the MRP and selling price, and click on Submit. If you sell the TV by serial number, click on Edit for the product. Then, turn on Sub-Inventory. After that, go to Sub-Inventory head, type the serial number, click on plus, and then click on Update. Now, when you select the item, you won't be able to enter the quantity. You will only need to enter the purchase price and add the item to the bill. Now, the option to enter serial numbers will appear. As soon as you enter the serial numbers, the corresponding quantity will automatically be added. The process for a mobile shop is almost the same. The only difference is that here, instead of entering the serial number, you need to enter the IMEI number, as mobiles are always tracked and sold by IMEI. For a garment shop, you can add items in the same way, such as t-shirts, jeans, or other clothing. For an auto parts shop, you can add items in the same way, such as brake shoes, oil filters, or clutch plates. For a hardware shop, you can add items using the same process, such as CPVC pipes, tap fittings, or other hardware materials. For a medical shop, first click on the settings icon at the top. Turn on Show Batch and Show Unit, then click on Save. Now, when you add a product like paracetamol, you will see a new option for the batch number. Here, you can fill in all the details related to the batch. After entering the batch number, options for manufacturing date and expiry date will appear. Fill them in and click OK. If you want strip to appear in the unit, type strip instead of pieces. Now, decide how many pieces are there in one strip, save it, and enter the rate for the strip. The rate for the pieces will be automatically calculated. This way, you can easily add items for every shop and business type. Finally, save the bill. Then refresh the dashboard and click on More Info. Here, you will see the details of each stock, such as quantity, selling price, value, and batch number. Now, you can print the barcode for all bill items with just one click. Click on Edit in the purchase bill and then click on Print to Barcode at the bottom to print. For the products we added with quantity in the purchase, you can now see all their barcodes. This way, you can easily add products for different shops and businesses and manage the entire stock, including barcodes. Now, let's see how to make a sale in OOS books. For this, go to the inventory and click on the plus icon under sale. Now, enter the customer's name and press enter to add the rest of the details, then click on submit. After that, keep pressing enter to select the product. Just like we sell an LED TV. As soon as you select the item, its price will be automatically added. Then, after adding the item to the bill, select its serial number. Now, if you are selling a mobile, the process will remain the same. As soon as you select the item, its price will be automatically added. Then, after adding the item to the bill, select its IMEI number. And now, let's add a t-shirt as well. Now, as soon as I select paracetamol in medical and choose its batch number, since the strip unit is already defined, if I sell 5 PCs, the system will automatically calculate the price based on the number of PCs. Now, let's look at the process of scanning with a barcode. For this, you just need to click on the product name that appears in the blue badge next to the product name and then switch the view to barcode mode. After that, you need to scan the product using the barcode gun. As soon as you scan it, the item will be automatically added to the bill with a quantity of 1. If you want to edit the quantity, you can do that manually as well. Finally, click on the Save button at the bottom. If the customer is not paying the full amount, for example, if they are only paying 15,000 rupees, you can add the remaining amount to the due. Then, in the payment source, you can directly add bank details. For example, type Bank of India, press enter, select the bank book, and fill in any other necessary details if available, then click submit. After that, you can easily print the bill. Apart from that, you can click on the settings icon at the top to fully customize the bill. For example, if you want to show the invoice type, display the barcode, or add a signature, you can do all of that from the settings. Additionally, 7 different formats are available. If you prefer, you can also use thermal printer formats, which can be easily customized according to your business needs. Now, you can refresh the dashboard to view today's account balance, today's sales, and other important information. By going to the sales section, you can edit or print old bills. Meanwhile, on the dashboard, click on Stock More Info to track complete details of the remaining stock. You can also see how much payment is pending from a customer and how much you need to pay to a company. All of this can be easily checked. If a customer is making a payment, go to Customer Outstanding and click on More Info. From here, you can view all the customer's details. You can perform tasks like sending a message on WhatsApp, viewing the ledger, or setting the next payment date, all from here. Also, if you want to view the customer's full ledger, go to the Accounts section and click, then select that customer. After that, you will be able to see the complete ledger for that customer. In the Other Information section, type the reason and press enter. Now, suppose 18,674 rupees is pending from the customer. Enter this amount in payment in after that. Select the payment source, such as cash or bank, and finally click on Submit. This way, you can easily maintain the customer's payment entry in. Go to the Accounts section and click on Company Ledger, then select the company's name. In the Other Information section, you can type payment-related details and press enter. Suppose you need to pay the company a total of 2,29,264 rupees. But you're paying 2 lakh rupees. For now, enter 2 lakh rupees in Payment Out. After that, select the payment source, such as cash or bank, and finally click on Submit. This way, you can easily record the company's payment entry in the ledger. To view the latest payment and stock information, refresh the dashboard. All updates will then be visible in real time. Not just that, in OS Books, you can easily create a purchase order in the inventory section. And if needed, you can also make a purchase return entry. Additionally, you can easily make sale order and sale return entries from here as well. You can also create quotations and view complete stock inventory details in real time. In OS Books, you can also access all essential masters, such as Bank Master, Company Master, Customer Master, Category Master, Employee Master, Expense Master, Income Master, Payment Master, Product Master, and Voucher Master. By using these, you can fully customize and organize your business. You can go to the Accounts section to view the bank book and add or track your transactions from there. To make a cash to bank transfer entry, select Cash in from Account and Bank into Account. Enter the amount transferred, type the reason and press Enter or click Plus. This is how you can record transfer entries. You can easily manage the employee ledger as well. First, add the employee's name and press Enter to fill in the remaining details. And submit. To add an employee's previous payment, first enter the narration, then add the amount under the salary field and press Enter to save. If you're making the payment at the same time, enter the paid amount, select the payment source like cash or bank, and click Save. You can easily manage the expenses ledger as well. For example, if you want to add the electricity bill, type electricity bill and press Enter, then add shop in the head and select operating expenses. After that, click Save. In other information, write something like May's bill. And if you've made the payment, fill in the paid amount. Then press plus or Enter, select the payment source, such as cash or bank, and click Submit. The entry will be saved. You can easily manage the income ledger, payment ledger, and employee attendance as well. For employee attendance, you need to click on the badge in the column corresponding to the date for the employee whose attendance you want to view. Once you click, it will show as present. Clicking again will change it to absent, and clicking a third time will mark it as half day. This way, you can easily track the employee's attendance. Here, the account summary is also available, where you can easily view the following information. Customer outstanding. The amount pending to be received from the customer will be displayed here. Company outstanding. The amount pending to be paid to the company or supplier will also be shown here. In the stock summary, you will see detailed information about all products, such as quantity, rate, value, etc. This section helps you understand your stock better. You can not only view the sales summary and purchase summary, but also send them directly via WhatsApp, export to Excel and download them. And if you file GST, you can directly upload this data to the GSTR portal. Cash book summary, a daily report of all cash transactions, receipts and payments in one place. Expenses summary, a list of all your expenses and the total expense calculation. Daybook summary, a timeline-based record of all transactions, sale, purchase, payment, receipt for each day. Order list, a list of all sales and purchase orders along with their statuses. When an item falls below its set minimum quantity, it will automatically appear in the order list. To set this up, go to the Products Edit section, enter the minimum quantity in the More Info section, and click Update. After updating, the low stock product will automatically start showing in the order list. In the Inventory Summary section, Brand-wise Sale Report, a report of how much of each brand has been sold. Brand-wise Purchase Report, information on how much of each brand has been purchased. Employee-wise Sale Report, a detailed breakdown of how much each employee has sold. In the Final Account section, you get the complete financial status of your business. Trading account, a record of purchases and sales that helps you determine the gross profit or loss. Profit loss account, a breakdown of all expenses and income, showing the net profit or loss. Balance sheet displays the financial position of your business, including assets, liabilities, and capital. TCS report. If you've collected TCS, tax collected at source, you can get its detailed report here, useful for GST filing. In the GST summary section, you get several important options, such as GSTR 1, GSTR 2, Sales Summary, Sales Return, Purchase Summary, Purchase Return, GST-wise Summary, HSN-wise Summary. You can print, upload to the portal, download, and even share these summaries via WhatsApp or email directly from the system. In the Tools section, you also get the Complaint Management option, which allows you to easily track your customers' hardware repair-related complaints, such as for mobiles, ACS, or any electronics items. Click Book New, select Customer, enter product and complaint details, and add service amount. This helps track hardware repair complaints. After filling in the remaining details, click Submit. You can also print the receipt or send it via WhatsApp. This way, you can manage and track each complaint efficiently. Additionally, in the ledger, you can print the status or barcode of the product, which can be attached to the item for easy tracking. When you scan the product, all the information will immediately appear, such as complaint details, status, and service amount, making it easy to track and manage the repair process. In OWASP Books, you can set service reminders and customize WhatsApp messages as per your needs. Additionally, you can easily print barcodes for any item. Just select the item, enter the quantity, submit, and click print. This makes tracking stock and services much easier. All of this is possible only with OWASP Books. Make your business smart, fast, and fully organized without any hassle. So, what are you waiting for? Start today with OWASP Books. Thank you.